Axonics therapy is safe for MRI scans within defined conditions. This video will cover the basics of what you need to know and bring to your MRI scan if you have an Axonics therapy implant. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging and is a common way healthcare providers take pictures of the internal structures of your body. With the Axonics system, you can get typical MRI scans, including head scans, whole body scans, and extremity scans. Your physician orders the type of MRI you need, and the MRI center will know how to conduct your scan. If you've been scheduled to get an MRI, you should let your MRI center know that you have an Axonics implant. You can also call your Axonics clinical team member directly at 1-844-622-6922 if you have any questions. It's important to remember to bring your Axonics remote control, your Axonics patient ID card, and the MRI readiness sheet your physician provided an implant. If you can't find your MRI readiness sheet or you need a new one, call your Axonics clinical team member and they can help you. If you have a rechargeable stimulator implanted, we also recommend charging your stimulator before going to your MRI appointment. Next, we'll share some information about what to expect when you get an MRI with the Axonics system. When you arrive for your MRI, be sure to remind the MRI center that you have an Axonics implant and provide them the MRI readiness sheet. They can also talk directly with the Axonics team if they have any questions. Some MRI scans, particularly whole body scans, require an MRI readiness check to confirm MRI eligibility. The Axonics remote control with smart MRI technology lets you complete this check just before your MRI, without having to go to your doctor's office first. You and your MRI technologist can do this check together. To check for MRI readiness, just connect your remote control to your implant. Hold the down arrow for 5 or more seconds to turn off your stimulation, and then press and hold the down arrow again for 5 more seconds to complete the MRI readiness check. If you're ready for an MRI, the middle 3 lights at the top of the remote control will turn on. Instructions for checking MRI readiness with your remote control are also on your MRI readiness sheet. If MRI readiness check is not required for your scan, simply turn your stimulation off before the MRI. Now you're ready for your MRI scan. The type of scanner and length of the scan will vary depending on what your doctor requested. You should not feel any irregular discomfort or pain at your implant during the scan. If you do, let the MRI technologist know immediately. Once your MRI scan is complete, be sure to turn your therapy back on using your remote control so you can continue to experience symptom relief. MRI guidelines, including the conditions for safe MRIs, are available on our website at axonics.com/MRI. Your MRI technologist will review the MRI guidelines, and if you or your MRI technologist have any questions, you can contact your Axonics clinical team member to get your questions answered. And remember to bring your remote control, your patient ID card, and your MRI readiness sheet to make your MRI appointment go as smoothly as possible. Getting an MRI should be a safe and painless experience. And with Axonics therapy, you can feel confident in your ability to get an MRI scan. Enjoy relief without compromise with Axonics.